need the room, you can push her.
You're gonna scratch yourself. Oh my gosh, your fingernails are super long. Oh, there's your eyes. Hi. You wanna open those eyes for us? Hi. Oh, bless you. Hello there, little girl. Oh, did he just hurt your eyes? Did he flash him in your eyes?
Poor baby.
Any comments?
Completely normal.
Yeah.
Poor baby.
You're gonna get wrinkles. You're gonna get wrinkles if you do that to yourself.
Wrinkles. You're going to start worrying about that for a little bit. Okay, how do you feel?
I'm excited. I'm happy.
You look great.
Thanks. It's okay. You're just mad because your hands aren't covering your face, huh? 'Cause that's what you like.